So today we're unboxing something that's been out for a long time now, the aluminum tripod of Peak Design. This is one of the best tripods out there still to this day. There is a carbon fiber version, but from what I researched, the aluminum is a little bit more sturdy, and even though it's a little bit heavier than a carbon fiber, still it's definitely worth saving money and have a sturdy tripod. They did a fantastic job on casing. The outer hard shell casing looks like you're about to pull out some kind of treasure map, and the soft shell casing is very neat, very well designed. The handles, the hooks for their systems, it's just really neat and feels great. You can find that inside of that tripod casing, there's a really cool little bushing removal tool, and it's hidden in a pocket, which is really cool. If you want to learn more about this, I will leave a link to their official video maintenance of this tripod where you can find out what exactly that tool does. Now, their Arca Swiss plate system is honestly one of the best one out there and the most recognizable in the world. You can use it for so many ways, and you can attach your camera all 4 directions and use it without a problem with any angle, any position. Here's another tool, which is a hex tool with 2.5mm and 4mm hex head, and that clips onto the side of the leg and any leg, and you can just take it off completely if you don't want it to be there. Everything explained really well in their instruction manual. Another really cool feature is the hidden magnetic clamp for your phone, which snaps onto the head of the tripod without a problem, and it just goes in and just hides right on the hook where you put any kind of like sandbags or a backpack to secure your tripod. The legs, very smooth use. The clamps can be adjusted with that tool. The ball head, if you unscrew it, you can take the actual head out, extend it to even extra height. And of course, that's where you can utilize the actual ball head and maneuver it to any kind of angle, any kind of position. You can shoot it down, you can shoot it sideways. I think that's a solid tripod, and I have this tripod for quite a bit now, and I can tell you right now it is worth every single penny. I hope you enjoyed this relaxed unboxing video. If you feel like these kind of videos you absolutely love to see in the future, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, slap the subscribe button, sucker punch that bell while you're at it to get notified for next upcoming videos to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.